how to recover your YouTube channel two-factor authentication loss. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Google account recovery page, which is going to be google.com/account/recovery. Then you want to simply go ahead and tap on or enter your email first and click on next, and then enter your password, and you're going to be on the account recovery or the verification tab. You want to simply tap on try another way. Once you go ahead and do so, it is going to ask you to confirm your recovery email, your phone, or even answer your security questions. Simply select answer your security questions and answer the questions that you've set previously and the questions they are going to be asking you to verify yourself. Once you've done that, they're going to go ahead and ask you to enter your new recovery email, and you're going to get a code on your email that you can reset your password from and simply go ahead and log back in. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.